Hello, and this is Saf's brother, Yusuf, and I'm introducing myself, and I'm gonna tell you the cheats of Subway Surfers and the app. Okay, I'm gonna go to Play Store. Oh, I'm gonna delete it because I want to show you the truth about Subway Surf, and don't forget to like. Wait. Okay. And I'm gonna delete Surf since I have Pinsky. And I'm gonna go to Play Store and just download the hack of the cheats. Go to search. You download. I'm gonna tell you the app. Subway Surf cheats, tips, and click for Subway Surfers first. Yeah, we'll search it. Yeah, you can see that I just downloaded unlimited Subway Surfers coins on the first, and I'm already downloaded it. Now I'm gonna download Subway Surfers. 100 million installed, and get ready for your millionaire. Okay, I'm gonna show you the likes and comments for this. As you know, everyone did not just look at this app. Okay, you can see that I'm from Baku and I download it right now. It's working, bro. Just try it and believe me. Yes, you can see all the stars, and I'm gonna show you the truth. Open. Come on. Yeah, and you have to click on the first one. You can read this, then should continue. Oh, no. Sorry. Oops. Sorry, wait. Continue, you should read that, okay? And you should read this all. If you delete this app, your all coins and keys will go. Okay? As if you don't see, you should close this all will come, and they will tell you done, and enjoy your Subway Surfers. Okay, now I'm gonna go back, close this app, go straight to Subway Surfers. Yeah, it's downloaded.
As you may see in the top, I'm just sitting here, Yusuf, so let him record and I'll just shut up.
And here it's coming. Come on. Come on, just download. Okay. Oh, stop, man. Oh, come on. Download. It's downloaded. Okay, now I'm gonna put that. Here is Subway Surf. Just click on it. All the cheats are uploaded, and now you can see. I think so. It's not there, maybe. Okay, it's created. Okay, it came, and it's ready. Now I'm gonna show you. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and you go for it. This is Teddy! You can see the millionary. 999999999. You got that in billions. It's unlimited, and I'm gonna show you how to open. Me. And here's Prince Key. I got it. Go. And as you can see that I got all the players, and this is awesome. Thank you, and I'm gonna just close the video, so bye. And don't forget to subscribe. And alright.